Now, let's see what happens. An Israeli security officer kicks him while he's praying. I mean, these are the sort of images that are being shown around the world, and that's infuriated many of the Palestinians that were there. I think that might have instigated.
اللهم امنعهم القطر من السماء يا الله اللهم امنعهم